Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to give you a quick umbrella policy tip. Before we get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have any questions or need any help with estate planning or probate at all, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to estatemeeting.com. Okay, umbrella policy tip. This topic today came out of a conversation that I was having with a client at a will signing, trust signing. And these clients have some property, some additional property in over and above their residence, okay? And we were talking about some crazy neighbors that they have and how to sort of protect themselves from a potential lawsuit, okay? After talking with them, it was clear that the likelihood of the type of lawsuit that you think you might usually have from owning additional property probably is not there, okay? For several reasons I won't get into. If there was, then there are other things that you're gonna do than what we're gonna talk about. One of the easy fixes though, it can be a Band-Aid or it can be a long-term fix, just depending on what your risk tolerance is to get an umbrella policy. An umbrella policy, if you can picture an umbrella, sort of operates to cover you sort of in many different circumstances. And you can get these policies for, typically you just get them for an amount that makes you feel comfortable, sort of in relation to your net worth, okay? And often these things will cover car accidents, they'll cover things that happen at your home, they'll cover all sorts of other things. And they got one, these clients got one, or got an umbrella policy with the idea of having it also cover this additional property that they had. In addition to the insurance that you might have on the property generally, right? Like you own a house, you have insurance on it. The umbrella policy would cover anything that was over and above the policy limits on the insurance policy for the house, if that makes any sense. But there's an important thing to remember when it comes to an umbrella policy. The only things that are covered under the policy are the things that you include in the policy. So one of the things that I told the client, and the reason I'm making this video right now, is if you have extra property, if you have a vacation home, if you have a rental home, and you have an umbrella policy with the idea of having that policy cover those separate real estate parcels, make sure that you talk to your insurance provider and have those properties included in the policy description itself. If you do not, there's a good chance if something happened and you needed to sort of invoke that umbrella policy, the insurance company would not honor it against those properties. Okay, now, having said that, I am not an insurance expert, legally or otherwise. So the purpose of this video is to just get you informed and knowledgeable enough to go talk to the people that actually can tell you what the sort of the real scoop is. Okay, I do know that what's in those policies is important. So if you have an umbrella policy and you want it to cover something specific, I would talk to your insurance provider and just make sure that it does, okay? Because if it doesn't, well, then what's the point of having the policy, right? Okay, that's it. Wanted to give you that quick tip. It's something that's important, something that is easy to overlook until you need it, and then it's a problem. So that's it. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, leave it. I will answer it, I promise. And if you want to talk more about your own estate planning issues or questions or concerns, you can set up a time to talk with us over the phone for free by going to estatemeeting.com. Okay, as always, I am Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.